With an aim to expand the Shillong airport, the state government has asked for the second survey of the airport. Speaking to the media, Deputy Chief Minister in charge Transport Sneo informed that payment has already been made, adding that the feasibility test for the expansion of runway is being conducted by the Airport Authority of India. This survey is being conducted at the airport to ascertain the feasibility of wider-bodied aircraft to operate from the airport. About the Baljek airport, he said the additional land is yet to be identified. When the land is finalized, a joint inspection will be conducted before going for the land acquisition process.
We are doing a payment for them also for that resurvey. Baljek, we are yet to identify the extra land. Even Baljek, I had a meeting this last week. My officer is on the job. So when we get the land, when the land is finalized, we have to go for joint inspection with the airport authority, with the officer of the administration, and if they are okay, we'll go for the land acquisition process immediately.
Tourism Minister